Another day, another English lesson. Exactly and not exactly for agreement and polite correction. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to look at two very natural ways to respond in English. Exactly and not exactly. These short replies help you show whether you fully agree or whether you need to politely correct someone. Let's see how they work. Exactly. Use exactly when you completely agree with someone. It makes your agreement sound confident and clear. Often you add a short sentence after it to explain why you agree. Examples. A. So you think the company should focus more on customer service? B. Exactly. That's how we keep people loyal. A. It seems like technology is changing how we shop. B. Exactly. Online delivery has changed a lot of things. And a good communication makes teamwork easier. B. Exactly. It keeps everyone on the same page. Not exactly. Use. Not exactly when what the other person says is nearly, but not quite correct. It softens disagreement and allows you to explain. Examples. A. You're planning to take the exam next month. B. Not exactly. I'm registering for the following session. A. You've already finished all the paperwork, right? B. Not exactly. I still need 2 more signatures. A. You're learning English just for travel. B. Not exactly. I need it for work emails too. Key takeaway. Think of exactly as a way to show strong agreement and of not exactly as a way to make a polite correction. Using them will help you sound clear, confident, and natural in conversation. Now, watch and complete the sentences with exactly or not exactly.
The meeting is scheduled for this afternoon.
Not exactly. It was moved to tomorrow morning.
She handled the client's concerns really professionally.
Exactly. She stayed calm and provided clear solutions.
You started learning French just last month, right?
Not exactly. I actually began a little over 6 months ago.
The new software update is faster than the old version.
Exactly. It's much smoother and more reliable.
He's responsible for the marketing department alone.
Not exactly. He shares the role with another manager.
Remote work has changed the way teens communicate.
Exactly. People rely more on chat and video calls now.
This restaurant only serves vegetarian dishes.
Not exactly. They have a few meat options too.
Regular practice is key to improving your writing.
Exactly. Without consistency, progress is slow.
You've read the entire book series already.
Not exactly. I'm only halfway through the third book.
This report really highlights the main issues clearly.
Exactly. It points out what we need to focus on next.
Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the notification bell for more lessons.